The Syrian Abdullah Al-Haj was selected as the best charm model in a beauty competition held in Istanbul. More than 130 countries took part in the event. More on the following.
The Syrian Abdullah Al-Haj was selected as the best charm model in the beauty competition held in Istanbul. More than 130 countries participated in the competition. Al-Haj was chosen as the best world model promoting tourism in his country. A German paper published his picture with a statement saying, "Welcome to Syria." Al-Haj was supported by the Syrian community and the Syrian embassy in Turkey.
Actually, I'm really honored and happy to be the first international Syrian model, and this title, Best Charm Model of the World 2007 in Istanbul, it's a gift to my country and all the Syrian people, because you know it was about 130 countries participating, and it's very good for us as a Syrian to win such an international title.
The event was organized by a French company and was held on a big theater in Istanbul. Al-Haj presented menswear for a number of international designers. He also filmed the first episode of his TV program Days in Syria, broadcasted in English language.
I used to represent Syria around the world. Before, at first I represented Syria in France, and I won the second rank in Model Awards in 2003. And after that I represented Syria in China, and I got Mr. Mediterranean 2006 and Mr. Best National Costume too. And the last one I represented Syria in Istanbul in Best Model of the World contest, and I got Best Charm Model of the World, and it was amazing for us as a Syrian people, because I'm the first Syrian young man who represented Syria in international modeling contest.
Al-Haj was also selected as the best model among 5 models who presented the national costume. Al-Haj was ranked first in the beauty competition for the Mediterranean region held in China in 2006. He also won the award of the most handsome man wearing traditional costume in China 2006. In addition to the award of beauty and elegance in Syria 2005 and the award of the second best world model in France in 2003.